Welcome back to Deconstructing with Dawn. I got my winter Walmart beauty boxes. I got the Classic and the Trendsetter, and I wanted to share both of them with you. As you know, they're $5 for shipping. The contents inside are free. It came with a little booklet here that I'll describe in a little bit. But first you get these blemish custom patches, which you can cut down to fit your actual blemish on your face, which is kind of cool, and it's multiple use. There's some Lola organic regular tampons. Now this is the classic box based on 49-year-old. So if you're still lucky enough to have your menses, that's what that's for, I suppose. Then there's these My Bite guilt-free chocolatey vitamins. They came with a sample of each one, the multi, the energy, the multi-her, and the calcium. Little tiny bites. I actually have the multivitamin of this in my refrigerator. I put it in the refrigerator and it tastes like a little bit of a candy every day. So I actually like this product and I actually use it. But there's each one. As you guys might know, there's a little bit of a change in my videos. Lately I've been doing photo videos, and my son thought he would do something better here and make this video. It has a voiceover. This is the number 7 Advanced Retinol Night Complex Concentrate. 1.5% retinol, and there's a Cetaphil, which is a healthy glow daily cream. Then there's the Bio Oil Dry Skin Gel, which I'm not really going to be keen on using. I hate oils like that, but whatever. So there's 6 items in there. There's a total of 12 items, and I got 6 of the 12 items in total between the 2 different boxes. However, I didn't get any of the foot repair, which I would love. The Degree, yeah, I don't really care about. The Hard Candy Sheer Setting Spray, but that mascara I would have liked. Anyhow, this is the Trendsetter. This is, again, based on 20 years minus my real age, so it's 29. Now, I've confirmed that that is what these boxes are. These are definitely Trendsetter on the right, Classic on the left. But it kind of confuses me. This is a Colgate Optic White Renewal toothpaste. It's not on the actual pamphlet, so I don't know why that happened. This is, again, the number 7 Advanced Retinol Complex and a Night Concentrate. This is a Vital Proteins Beauty Collagen, Strawberry and Lemon Beauty Collagen powder. This is, again, the Cetaphil, which is fine. It's a normal kind of lotion. This is kind of a big, generous size of hand sanitizer, and it smells like watermelon, which I don't like, but whatever, it's hand sanitizer. Go through it like water. And again, the Bio Oil Dry Skin Gel, which I probably will not use. So again, each box is $5. You go to walmartbeautybox.com, you sign up. You could do like I did and get 2 different types of boxes based on your age. However, this is the first one in a couple months or a couple seasons that has actually changed like this. This is the winter box. It does it 4 times a year based on the season. Normally they're way behind, but this time they weren't. And usually what you get in there is definitely worth the free, product. It's, again, just the shipping that you're paying for. And I will use most of these things. If not, I'll put them in this little giveaway thing that I do on Poshmark. Anyway, the duplicates were the number 7, the Night Complex Lotion, the Cetaphil, and the Bio Oil. And again, I won't use the Bio Oil, but the Cetaphil fits in the purse fantastically. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.